All right, it's Wednesday, March 5th. It's following up on the SPY. So you can see now it is breaking through the first bar low, and we'll see if this holds. We're going to see on the daily chart if we can come down and get a follow through on the two down day from yesterday and hit the lows of yesterday. The options are moving up nicely. I bought those 585 puts at 1102. They just hit 1240. So they're up over point. Again, at this point, since you're getting the eventual follow through below the first bar low, you can do no worse than break even if this inflection point happens to pause and hold. But at the moment, it looks like this was just a pause here at these key lows, and we're trying to go lower. And that's what kind of opening price action led us to, as long as this bar 3 high kind of holds. So we're going to find out here. It's still tricky. We had a lot of buying come in down here, so this could be an area where people think, they want to buy again for an eventual big rip to the upside. We're just taking out this little pivot low that formed at the end of the day. So, the good news is, just given the fact that you could buy the eventual break of these lows early, you can now see what happens at no risk. Do we follow through and just hit some of these targets, or is this another pause area where we might want to stay volatile in a bit of a trading range? But the opening price action seemed to indicate lower to take out the low of the day to start. We're doing that. We'll watch bar by bar here to see if we head lower. In the big picture, this is a key thing here. If we really can't rebound from this pivot low down here, then we're heading towards some of these next pivots down and below 570. So let's just see if that happens. Again, it's kind of no risk right now. If you want to scale out, you can set up a no risk trade in case we just reverse from up here. It has been choppy in the morning, so this is an interesting first test to see what happens going forward for the rest of the day. But again, given the follow through now, you can kind of treat it all at no risk.